Cream versus liquid, contour and blush. Golden Sun, Wild Love, Salad, Hush Hush, Golden Sun,
the cream and the liquid side. The liquid side is definitely a lot more pigmented in my opinion. I think the cream one blends out into a more subtle look. I could build up the cream side, but I'd say the liquid side is a lot more pigmented right off the bat. I love both of them. So beautiful. The blendability was beautiful, the shades are beautiful. So for the liquid side, I was using Golden Tan and Hush Hush along with Salad for the concealer, and then I used Salad again for the concealer on the cream side, Golden Sun cream bronzer, and the Wild Love cream blush.